Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. I'm going to be planting some bunching onion Flavor King seeds today. Now, I've never grown bunching onions before, but I'm going to be giving them a try here. We do grow a lot of different onions from seed, but this one's going to be a new one for us here. So, they get about 1 inch in diameter, and they're excellent chopped fresh or sauteed, and it's about 65 to 70 days to harvest. So we're going to be getting these planted here. So I have my onion seeds here, and just going to sprinkle these across the top of my soil here. And I'm using a recycled food tray with holes in the bottom of it. I find they make excellent flats, and you get to recycle, and they're free. Now, onion seeds germinate in about 7 to 14 days. So you can see I still have some left over here. And I have this one here planted up. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to get it covered with a thin layer of seed starting mix. So, oh, my mom put more water in here. Here's some drier stuff. Okay, I'm going for the drier stuff. And I'm just going to put about 1/4 of an inch over top. There we go. Here's some drier stuff. It didn't all get mixed up and wet. This really needs to get mixed up here. This over here is way too wet for what I like. So there we go. I'm just going to firm this over the top here. So my spray nozzle here is already on a mist. I'm just going to mist over top of this here. And I'm going to get this labeled, and I'm going to put this down on the floor. I have radiant heat in my floors. That's what I use as my germination mat. If you don't have radiant heat in your floor, then I do recommend using a germination mat to help germinate your seeds. So when these start germinating, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show them to you. Now, I'm probably going to be planting a couple flats of these. I haven't decided yet, but I'm probably going to be planting like 2 of them. So you can see down here when I put my stuff on the floor, I do not close my lids the entire way. Your seeds need oxygen to germinate. So by letting the lids open some, it allows the oxygen to come in, and it helps to prevent like mold on your soil surface. It also helps to allow the excess heat to escape out. Okay, so today is March the 14th, 2022. And on March the 13th, the Onion Bunchings Flavor King, that's a funny name, but that's what they call it, started germinating here. So we did take them off the floor yesterday, and we took them off the heat, and we put them on a rack out here in the greenhouse. Now, these will be being moved over to the new greenhouse. It's a little bit cooler in there, and they'll be getting moved later on when it warms up a little outside when it's safe for us to move them. But I want to give you this update here that they did germinate, and they are coming up. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. To follow me on Twitter, I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.